1, 2, 3. Dude, you did that like a pro. Every time! This is not pretty snowboarding. This is just get it done snowboarding. What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to A Basin, and today we're gonna hit the east wall. Now, I've ridden A Basin for the last 11 years, and I've looked at the wall and I've thought that would be sick. And I don't know why it's taking me so long to do it. Mainly because I used to have this mindset of I don't want to hike to anything. And then I also never went heli snowboarding, which heli snowboarding really kind of opened my eyes to how sick some mountain riding can be. So if you missed the heli video, check it out right there. But today we're riding the steepest run in North America. At least that's what everyone said to Benton. That's what I've heard. I could be right, I could be wrong. Comment down below. Is it the steepest? We'll find out. Either way, the east wall is going to be gnarly. There's a section that you got to belay into, and I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are too. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because we do stuff like this all the time. And enough talking, let's get into the riding. Let's get up there. Every time I start recording, I literally just hit record. Every time. The chairlift was going fine. It was stopped at the highest point. Oh. Ooh, don't look down, Benton. First notch is closed. I wanted to do the first notch. Second notch we got to belay into. We were going to do that. I wanted to do these two. So maybe we'll do the second and the third. Here we go. Could strap in our snowboards, but then we'd be strapping, unstrapping, strapping. So you could just ride it out on your butt. So I try to walk it down. You gotta watch out for rocks though. You don't want to rock up the butt.
Just a walk in the park compared to what we're about to drop into.
First notch closed.
This is easy compared to what we're about to drop into.
Super easy.
Holy.
I wonder why it's closed.
Not enough snow.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna go board on and just nose this way. We got some time to wait though. Alright, so while we wait for the notch to clear out, we're just gonna do today's sticker shout out. We got Lori with the Evolution sticker on the white helmet, looking so sick, as well as your B42 with 2 Evolution stickers on the kiddos. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers, supporting the channel. If you want to get an Evolution sticker, they're all linked in the description. If you do snag any of them, make sure you tag me on my Instagram so I give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow my Instagram if you're not following it. You know we're ripping the east wall today, or riding A Basin, period, if you're following my Instagram, and then you can come find me and say what up, we can take a lap together, anything like that, or come drop the east wall with me. So follow my Instagram for bonus extra content, and then just to know where I'm ripping. And all right, here we go. We got to belay down that chute, kill it. I'm really excited. Oh, these guys are going. Oh, someone almost died over there. Here we go. All right, guys. This is not pretty snowboarding. This is just get it done snowboarding. Ben's going first. Dude, you did that like a pro. Now it's easier.
At the bottom.
That was insane. 1, 2, 3. Dude, that was so scary. All right, guys, that was sick. It was horrible for our snowboards, though. It was super rocky in there, obviously. East Wall is open, but we haven't had the most incredible snow year, so pretty bare in there. Obviously, snowboarders going down the way that they have to go down takes a little bit of the snow away. Sorry, skiers. So Benton asked me before we did this, he goes, "Are you nervous?" And like, I thought about it, and you get those feelings, you know, you like those, your stomach's a little, and you're kind of tingly, and you're like, this is something. And you can interpret that feeling in two ways. You could think of it as in like, yeah, nervous, I'm scared, or you can interpret it as excitement. So I told him I was excited. I really wanted to do this. I knew I could. I know that our big mountain ability is only getting better, especially as we do heli snowboarding. We come to the East Wall. We did the steep gullies the other day. Check the steep gullies video out right here. As we ride more of this terrain, I get better at it, get more confident with it. So no, I'm not nervous. I'm excited. All right, let's do it one more time.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's a bunch of rock drops too on our way out of here. And then there's the whale tail jump as well. So here we go, more awesomeness coming your way. Oh, by the way, smash like, because that was sick, right?
Straight up flying for a second.
And that whole little rock section was so sick. Let's check the damage. That,
doing this now.
not horrible. So obviously we gotta hike back up. It's a gorgeous hike, a gorgeous view. But to cut it a little shorter, I want to show you guys this really awesome clip from our goggle company. So the Kuno Optics, the goggles I'm rocking, they're my goggle sponsor. We decided to test one of their lenses this morning. Check this out. They didn't break. They literally only got like a little bit of scratches from like rocks on the tire, but dude, you could run over these lenses and they'll be fine. That's insane. Kuno Optics, they're linked in the description, as well as any of my other snowboard gear and snowboard sponsors. I got a sponsorship with Pearl Wax, 20% off all your wax with code BUCK20, things like that. Check out my description, and then Snowboard Camp is in the description as well. You definitely want to sign up for Snowboard Camp, because it's the only time of the year that I can teach you guys how to snowboard. Whew. All right, hike up, here we go. It's so insane when you're up here, you get to see so many sick views that are like different, like Keystone's over here, over to Montezuma. I'm sure if you went to the very top, you'd be able to see like Loveland and all kinds of stuff. Also, you don't realize how sharp and jagged these rocks are until you're up here. He always runs into me, always, I'm telling you guys. fun tip about hiking something like this: when you're holding a snowboard, always hold your snowboard on the outside, because if you slip and fall onto your snowboard, it's only going to go send you down. So hold your snowboard on your outside arm. Just a little tip. You can also grab. And come over here and talk because it's super windy. We're going to do this shoot. It's really rocky. It's the only downside because it's going to kind of tear up our snowboards. But it's the only way to get where we want to ride.
Enter in here and then head to the left.
Go left, yep.
Yeah.
And that's where.
Real good.
Toe side, heel side, toe side. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Why are you so crazy, dude? So Benson has this thing where like, yo, today is about the east wall, it's sick, we're sending it, and then he wants to go ahead and make the video about himself and throw a double. So, nah, definitely, we love Benson so much. His stuff is in the description, check him out. That was sick. The second shoot was cool in the sense I felt like you were snowboarding more and you're able to kind of pick a different line and stuff. It definitely wasn't as gnarly and steep. The hardest thing about this right now is the conditions just aren't the sickest. I definitely got core shots in there and everything like that. You're more like, the turns you make are about dodging rocks opposed to what you would want to do. So a lot of times when I was heel sliding, it wasn't like, oh, I'm too scared to make a toe side turn. It's like, I can't make a toe side turn. I'm gonna run into all these rocks. So maybe next year when we get a better snow season, we'll come rip every single shoot. Shoot one has to happen. And I'm stoked that that run I was able to film with the 360 camera. All my camera stuff, what I'm filming all of today with, like this one makes the pole disappear. You guys always are like, who filmed that? I still filmed it. The pole just magically vanishes. But all of this stuff is in the description. All right, we got a couple drops and we're out of here. What a sick day, dude. I'm happy we did this.
This is so much fun.
So today was one of those days where I woke up and I was like, man, my back's hurting. I don't want to go ride. And then we decided to kind of push it to come out at 11, a little later in the day when the sun was going to be peeking through. And some of the days for snowboarding when I like don't want to go, I'm like, I really don't want to do this, always turn out to be my sickest days, like today. And I know this is a good video. Like I got the feeling too of like, dude, we're filming a good video, which is always fun when you know you're leaving with a good video. Riding out of the east wall is also super fun. I had no idea that A Basin put like a beginner park right here. That's cool. Fun fact is this is actually where they used to put A Basin's park. And like this is where I learned how to like board slide and 50-50 and straight air and do 360s. Was the park that they used to put right here. That was Chipmunk, by the way. I'm supposed to be taking it easy on my knee. My knee's kind of trashed, so still an insane day. A little bit of scratches, but honestly I'm so content with all the dings and scrapes on this board from today with how bad the conditions were. And sometimes you just gotta send it. My snowboard's a tool for my job, which is making these videos. And hi, how are you? Other than better snow, I don't think today could have gone any better. That was so much fun. My body is telling me it was fun. I'm exhausted. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Stuck in my jacket. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible, but also show you all the cool things with snowboarding. There's so much, like A Basin alone. You can make so many videos here, like the east wall, the steep gullies, the beavers, like South Bowl, like so much. And that's just one resort in Colorado. There's 466 ski resorts. We're like finding some more tiny mom and pop ski resorts on our ski resort map, if you know what I'm talking about. I have this map of the United States. It's all of the resorts in the United States, and we're marking off all the ones that we've gone to. We have a goal to ride all of them. If you click over the green dot, you see the video of that area, so you can see if we rode at your ski resort or any of the ski resorts in Colorado. Watch those videos. It's really cool. It's a really cool map that our buddy Kenny made for us. But with mentioning that, I'm sitting in this car. I have nothing else to say other than a huge thank you for all these sticker orders. This is absolutely insane. I know I've been saying a lot of thank yous on Instagram, but this is a YouTube thank you. Guys, thank you for snagging the Evolution stickers, the Evolution merch, hoodies, t-shirts, hats, like all of it. It's how I'm able to do this for a living, as well as travel as much as I have. Someone asked me, like, how much have you spent on snowboarding this season? And I was just like, my stomach kind of like dropped. I was like, oh gosh, a ton. But everywhere we go, every video we make is strategic. It has a purpose behind it. And hopefully it's a business decision that will bring value later on. A lot of the content we film this season is actually meant to do well next season. So we don't see that ROI till the next year. It's kind of crazy. I'm figuring it out. I'm definitely figuring out how to do this YouTube thing for snowboarding, and I'm loving it. I hope you guys are loving it. Thank you for the love and support. The season's not over, but Benton's season is almost over. We only have like 20 more days left with our boy Benton. So
sad.
Expect some heavy park days coming your way. We got some tricks to do, but that was a bucket list thing to knock off the east wall. It's been done.
We did it together.
And we did it together. We still need to shoot one. It's not open, but it'll happen. All right, guys, with all of that, thank you so much for sharing with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need no.
Every time we're trying to get off the lift and I hit record.